cannot help but wonder where this woman gets the gall and the temerity to behave this way and act as if she is truly nonchalant about what is happening around her. This is our Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kamaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And this is the Kitty Show. And welcome to the 4th year anniversary of Tarayan and Talakayan Showbiz Edition. Mare, your favorite actress?
Is she an actress?
Di ba? Viral na naman sa kamalasaduhan at pagkilos ng di naaayon sa kanyang retokadang ganda, si Kim Chiu. At alam naman natin, we do not have to repeat why she is being targeted by everyone who loves and support Riza May Dizon. So the question is, Mare, of national importance. Deserve na deserve ba ni Kim Chiu na durug-durugin ng Dabar Cards?
Alam mo, if there should be a Grand Slam win for her in this category.
Okay.
Kasi
Grand Slam winner na siya kasi
walang mananalo sa kanya. Isinabuhay, isinagawa, at isinaisip niya ang pagiging maldita to the max.
Oh.
Di ba? Kung sinasabing in the context of joke,
It being live.
and
Being a spontaneous thing.
there are boundaries by which jokes are measured.
Yes.
One, ano ba yan? Barubal ba yan na na joke? May isa pang term sa two, yung isang term na yung joke na hinahampas-hampas, ang tawag doon?
Slapstick.
Slapstick, di ba? Or three, is that an intelligent joke? Obviously,
In all the 3 categories that you've mentioned, ni ang sagot. Nada.
Diba?
No.
di ba?
Diba? Yes.
So where does it leave her? It leaves her groping in the dark for substantial joke that she will publicly crack on national television. Di ba? Kasi siya, hindi mo siya joker
True.
To begin with
Hindi talaga siya comedian.
Hindi siya
And
comedian.
she doesn't have the timing. She doesn't have the wit to bring it on.
In short, she has no humor to begin with. She's not witty. She doesn't have humor.
And she really personifies being a babaeng tuod. Diba? Kasi sa akin, when I saw the clip, it was obviously premeditated. From you mentioning the character, Brent T. Manalo mentioning the character of Lotus Feet, and then when she looked at jokes, out of the blue, bakit si Riza May? And for you people to actually think na joke lang naman. At number 2, to actually be convinced that she was not doing it to malign Riza. Please. Buksan nyo na mga mata nyo.
And kasi ang contention nila, ang the best yung features ni ni Jugueta resembles that of
That's not even a contention. What they
Riza.
did was obviously trying to malign the itsura of Riza May. Diba?
She was unwittingly making a mockery out of of Riza.
It was not even unwitting. Talagang
Sinadya.
Sinadya talaga. Eh, pwede naman kayo magbigay ng
Kahit
Lotus
na
Feet,
sino.
Chuchuk at ibang character. Bakit kailangan si Riza?
Tsaka bakit may Lotus Feet?
Diba? Kasi Lotus Feet was pertaining to, kasi parang the script supposedly should be coming from the movie Feng Shui.
Nga, I know. Hindi, why does it have to be a Lotus Feet character?
Pwede naman iba.
Pwedeng iba, di ba?
Oo.
Pwedeng So, ibig sabihin, kasi, yung joke kasi, I don't know if they understood what they were doing, ha? Kasi yung joke, eto, dito mag-i-start. So, it started with, Brent Manalo,
Brenty.
mentioning a character,
Yes.
si Lotus Feet.
Oo.
So, the reaction of Kim should be one that is expected or one that is not expected. What she delivered was one that is not expected. Kasi pag bigkas niya, Raisa May, nobody expected her to say that. Diba? The joke is actually on her.
At lalo si Nadine kasi, pag sabi niya ng Raisa May, biglang tinugtog yung kanta.
Sayaw, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha,
di ba? Very identified with Raisa.
So, the whole thing is apparently rehearsed.
Yes.
Di ba?
Oo.
Ano yun?
It was not spontaneous.
It was a blatant joke talaga na you cannot deny.
It was a blatant mockery of Raisa May's look.
At saka, kasi, the problem with Kim is that parang wala siyang brain.
Wala naman talaga.
Di ba? Kasi tignan
kailan mo bang i-memorize
nagkwento si Ogie Diaz. Pumunta sa studio. Nakita nagpipictorial si si Vice Ganda. Tapos nagkatitigan sila ni Kim. Tapos nagkalapitan. Paglapit, "Hoy, buti pinapasok ka dito." Di ba parang, ha? Bakit bawal ba? Sabi ni OG, di ba? So, coming from a person na meron naman yatang may natapos ba siya? I don't know if she finished college.
Ako, as far as that incident is concerned, ayoko mag-comment. Kasi parang feeling ko, it has nothing to do with all the Raisa May issue. Diba? And whoever was her subject that time, personal ko to, deserve naman niya yung gano'n siya.
Ano na?
Deserve naman nung subject matter na gano'n siya ni Kim Chiu. Hindi naman kasi that time, I get na, mas okay na hindi kita plinastic kaysa plinastic kita because whatever I say, you will take it against me. Yun na ang thought bubble niya. So, tinodo na niya ng isang baton, buti nakapasok kayo dito. At sa acting cute and acting coy, which is so her, right?
Yeah.
Pero yung binagtuhan niya ng statement, sorry to say, deserve mo naman yun. Huwag kang magbalat sibuyas at huwag kang umarting sakit na sakit ka sa pangyayaring to dahil mas marami ka lang sinaktang mga tao sa loob at labas ng industriya. Obserbasyon ko po yun, ha? Maari akong mali. So kung gusto mo akong punahin sa aking pagkakamali, sige, punahin mo ko. Yun lang naman lang sa akin. Sabi nga sa...
So to put it bluntly, you were saying that OG Diaz deserves
whatever Kim showed her, deserve niya.
Yung gano'n.
Ganun. Deserve niya. Because, di ba, love begets love. Hate begets hate. You reap what you sow. Ganun lang yun.
At saka kasi, parang ang tingin ko lang if I am right, si yata nag-start, si OG. Kasi nga, di ba, I noticed that from 2 years ago ba yun? Diniscuss na natin yan na gusto niya i-guess si Kim Chiu.
Tapos pinihirapan sa radio program niya.
Tapos, the same podcast show.
Yun nga.
Ginawa niya
sa akin,
yung booking niya.
Ganun yung tao. Tapos ina-expect mong maging, OG, so happy you're here. Ba't na tayo, ha?
Kasi ang feeling yata nitong OG, parang siya, icon of sort na
diba?
Nobody
Ang sa akin, nagwala na, hi OG, ba't na tayo, ha? Si Sharon. Kay Sharon mo lang may expect yun na,
si Chris.
Isa pa rin yun, di ba? Isa pa rin, yung idol ko, si Ate V. Gagawin din lang lahat yan. OG, you're here. Give them merienda. Ganun sila kasi yung mga yon tactful, professional, and they do not want to burn bridges. Alam na, feeling mo, OG Diaz ka, diba?
That's a problem.
Nakasikim ka ng isa, huwag ka na magtampo. baklang ito? Umaarte-arte.
So, dapat tinanong niya sa sarili niya,
Oo.
deserve ko ba to?
Oo, diba?
Ganon.
Deserve ko ba to?
Ah.
At arte-arte ka na 1992 ka pala sa ABS-CBN, bakla. Hindi naman yun ang point. Ang point, may ginawa kang mali. Hindi ka nga humingi ng tawad eh.
At saka nag-ano yung fans. Yung isang fan sa ex. Nakikisakay ka nga lang sa kotse ni Kim Chiu nung araw,
diba?
Oh my God.
And on that note, Kim naman kasi, sa susunod, bago mo buksan iyong bibig, paganahin mo naman ang iyong brain cells. Yun ay kung meron. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ulcio Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
At syempre pa, inaanyayahan po namin kayo manood ng City Show. Pinapalabas po kami Sabado at Linggo sa aming Diario Tirada YouTube channel at sa aming Facebook pagina. And yes, welcome to the opening of our 4th year.